Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to optimize website speed for SEO 2025, a complete walkthrough. So welcome back everyone, and I'll be showing you how you can actually optimize your website speed for SEO. That's the page speed is, a major ranking factor when it comes to people making use of your website, and faster sites get more visitors, higher rankings, and better conversions. So let's dive right into fixing this. Your first step would be to test your website speed. So open up your browser and simply log on to pagespeed.web.dev. And once you're on here, you can simply enter your website URL. And then these tools would then show you your performance score, your load time, and the issues slowing your website down. So you can go ahead and enter your page URL here. And then another thing you can do with the website is that it's going to focus on core website vitals like the largest contentful paint (LCP), how fast your main content loads, and also the cumulative layout shift, which is a visual stability, how stable the visuals are, and first input delay, how quickly users can interact with your website. That's basically what Page Speed Insights is going to do for you. So do well to drop your URL here and then proceed to analyze your website. So let's simply do this with a random website. I think we can make use of any website of our choosing to accomplish this task. So go ahead and paste this in, and then we can get a real life example or a live example of how it works. All right, and once you've pasted it, just go ahead and click on Analyze, and it's going to run the analysis, and it's going to show you a few things. The LCP, the interaction to next paint, that's the INP, is here. The cumulative layout shifts, the first contentful paint, that's FCP, and time to first byte, TTFB, and yeah. So it's now going to run a diagnosis performance issues. So it's going to diagnose your performance issues. And this is how it works on mobile. Then on website, you can see basically the stats are a bit better than on mobile. All right, guys. So that's how you can make use of testing your website speed. Now, the next thing we can do is, or the next thing I would suggest is optimizing your image. So the best way to get your images out there is to actually compress large images before uploading. And you can do this by using a simple tool known as Tiny PNG. You can try Tiny PNG, Squoosh, or Canva. They all compress AVIFs, web pages, PNGs, and JPEG images before you then upload to your channel. You can also make use of modern formats like the WebP or AVIF for smaller but high quality images, and then set your image dimension properly to present and to prevent layout shifts. For WordPress, go ahead and install a plugin like Smush or Short Pixel for automatic optimization. Now, another step you can take, or another thing you could try, is use a caching plugin. So caching stores a ready version of your website, which would reduce server loads. So to achieve this, you could simply use WordPress Rocket. It's premium, but it offers the best performance. Another thing you could try is the W3 Total Cache or Lightspeed Cache, which is a free option for your WordPress. And then after setup, simply clear your cache and retest your website speed. Now, another thing you could do is you could simply minify. So you could use something like minify to simply, reduce unnecessary code like spaces and comments. In WordPress, there's a plugin like Auto Optimize or WP Fastest Cache to do this automatically. So if you're coding manually, make sure to use minify.org. That's the website. Simply log on to minify.org or Tesar for the US or Tessa for JavaScript. This helps your browser load your sites much faster. So minification is a code optimization technique that reduces the file size of source codes like JavaScript, CSS, and HTML by removing unnecessary characters such as white space, comments, and line breaks without changing its functionality. So if you want your code to be much cleaner, you should try minification. Now, another thing you can do is use a content delivery network. So basically, simply search up this website, Cloudflare. Go ahead and simply search up Cloudflare. You can simply use Cloudflare or Bunny CDN or AWS CloudFront to reduce your latency and improve your speed for international visitors. So if you're looking to host your website so people from other continents and countries can access your websites, make sure you use Cloudflare to deliver your content from the nearest server location to the users worldwide. And also try optimizing your hosting and database. So upgrade to faster hosting plan or use a managed WordPress hosting plan to regularly clean your database using plugins like the WP Optimize, and avoid heavy themes or unnecessary plugins that slow down your website. All right, guys, and that's how you can optimize your site for SEO in 2025. Make sure you test your website, compress images, use caching, and choose a good host. And you'll notice a faster load time and higher search rankings. If this helped, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.